Insurer now. HDFC Life and Max India's marriage has been solemnized by their respective boards, paving the way for the creation of the largest private sector insurer in the country. It has a market share of more than 24% now and a very enviable franchise. Nisha Poddar caught up with the HDFC Life MD and CEO. Listen in to what they had to say.
The price run-up which has happened since, let's say, May 31st or from the beginning is about 50%. We have not done the valuation on this 50% rise in market cap of Max FS over the last 90 days or so. Our valuation has been based on March 31st multiples. Now the market believes and actually puts an onus us to perform. Market believes that this franchise which is coming together, or this franchise which will get created, will be extremely powerful, and they're willing to pay this price for this franchise. I mean, that's the only message I can get from the kind of value, the way the value of Max Financial Services has gone up. Now we have to make the merger happen and actually deliver the kind of value which the shareholders are expecting for us to sustain this particular price. And that's a tall ask, and we obviously are looking forward to it, but there's still some distance to cover in terms of getting the merger done and then delivering that value.
Okay, what makes you confident that the majority of the minority shareholders of Max would really agree to not just the non-compete but also to this merger ratio, because it is 1/3, 2/3, and on top of that about 850 odd crore rupees is given only to the promoters and not to the minority shareholders?
So please understand that when you look at the two entities, Max Financial Services and Max Life, the majority of the minority is MSI. And MSI has already given its shareholder consent for this particular deal, including the non-compete fees. Obviously, they have been a party to this agreement and all these discussions, and they are fine with it. As far as the majority of the minority of Max Financial Services are concerned, there are some large shareholders they have, like, for example, Goldman Sachs and KKR, and then there are series of other shareholders with various shareholding. We believe, based on the preliminary discussions we have had with them, they have made decent amount of returns already based on the run-up in Max Financial Services price. They also believe in the franchise which we're going to get created. I think KKR and Goldman Sachs know HDFC Group and HDFC Life quite well. And some of the other shareholders which exist out there. So the level of confidence is very, very high. We have not tied anyone up. And frankly, if we are confident they will approve it, and if they approve it, then I think it just goes to show that they believe that this deal makes sense.
Okay. Well, the deal makes sense or not, that's something that we'll find out.